guys, welcome back to Make Coding Easier. In the previous video, we had finished the first division of the HTML tutorial. That was the introduction. Okay, thus we had introduced you to HTML. In this video, the second division, we are going to look at what is meta information, how to embed videos and images, and much more stuff in this video. Let's have a look at today's agenda. In a phase 1, we are going to learn what is meta information. Phase 2, how to embed videos and images in a HTML page. Phase 3, an interesting phase, how to add hyperlinks. Phase 4, to learn about all the attributes we are going to learn today. Of the tags we are going to learn today. Phase 5 is a practical section. Before the class, I want you to be aware of a pandemic. The coronavirus, the COVID-19 is mutating itself and becoming a threat for all of us out there. It's better for us to abide the rules of the government and stay home to stay safe. In this fight against the COVID-19, we all are together. I urge you to donate towards the COVID Relief Fund and urge others also to donate towards the COVID Relief Fund. To keep you all entertained and make use of this time, we at Make Coding Easier are bringing you educational videos to keep yourself entertained. Do watch and enjoy. This video has two parts. Part 1 is a theory class. Part 2 is a practical class. So let's begin the part 1. What are we going to do in this part? Going to learn how to embed videos and images in an HTML page and learn about meta information. The meta tag. The meta tag is used to give all the metadata, or metadata means information of the HTML page. The meta information includes keywords, some names that you want to give. See, basically whatever information you want to give about the HTML page will go under the meta tag. Understand? This will be used by the browsers to display your website according to search. Okay. This introductory slide to hyperlinks. What is a hyperlink? Hyperlink is a hidden link which is hidden behind text. Okay. If a front-end user clicks on that piece of text, he will be redirected to the link hidden. Okay. We can use this feature in HTML also. To add hyperlinks, we use the A tag. The A tag has one attribute, that's the href attribute. Without the href attribute, the A tag is just a placeholder. It's a placeholder, okay? So it's holder, you have to give anything, it's still an empty holder. For a hyperlink, this topic will be more clear for you in the second half. That is the practical section. The image tag. The image tag is used to add images to HTML page. It's good if you have an alternate text, okay? That is, you give an alternate text under the attribute of alt. So alt is equal to double quotes and then your alternate text. This text will be used by the browsers to display if they're not able to load the image properly or there's some network issue or blah 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 stuff. Okay. The image tag also needs the width and height to be specified in pixels for it to display properly. Okay. It also needs the src attribute. The video tag is used to add videos as its name suggests. Okay, the tag is something similar. It's kind of similar to the image tag. This also needs alternate text. It needs width. It needs height to be specified. For the video and image tag to work properly, you need it to be in the same HTML file. No, same folder. Okay. Let's move. Yeah. Attributes of all the tags we've seen so far. Width and height tag are used by the video and image tag. href is used by the A tag. Alt is used by alt and src is used by video and image tag. src stands for source. Remember. So this is the end of part 1. Let's move ahead. Beginning of part 2. This is the practical section. Boom! So this is the part 2 of this video, the practical section. This is my code editor, Visual Studio Code. I have opened a folder named HTML examples and created a file named index.html. I have a sample MP4 file for you guys to learn the video tag. Okay, so let me open the boilerplate. Here we have meta tags. See, HTML has an attribute named lang. Okay, it specifies the language of this page. Meta character set. Okay, this specifies the character set. UTF-8 is an encoding format which is used by the browser. Okay, to understand what's there here. So HTTP EQUID. EQUID is equipment XUA compatible. Okay, that's equipment. Seems like equipment that's used by the browsers. Content IE is equal to edge. The content that this tag holds is IE is equal to edge. Okay, meta. This another table kind of thing. So the heading is given, the name is the heading, content is the content under the heading. Okay, name is viewport, content is width is equal to device width, initial scale is equal to 1.0. That's some data that we give. Okay, so let's begin the part with the hyperlinks heading, hyperlinks topic. So href stands for hidden reference. H is hidden, ref is reference. Then my hidden reference is going to be Google. Okay, http:// Google. Okay, no, that should be www.google.com. Okay, that's my hidden reference. And then my text here is going to be click me to open Google. Okay, let me save it. Open with live server. Okay, here is my live server. So when I click on that, I get Google. Okay, I get Google when I click on that. My next job is nothing, literally nothing. I've added hyperlinks. Okay, when we learn CSS, we'll make it look beautiful little more. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead with the video tag. Okay, video. So now I don't want the SLC right now. Okay, so when we open the video tag, we have to give the first two attributes, no, three attributes. Alt is equal to our normal video, and then my width is gonna be 100, height is gonna be 100 px if I need to specify 100 px, yeah. And then I'm gonna give stuff inside the video tag. Okay, so slash is to close the video tag, we all know that. Okay, so my next tag inside the video tag is going to be the source tag, source, and then I need to give src sample mp4 file space 1.mp4. yeah. Okay, one thing that you need to make sure is the sample mp4 file needs to be in the same file as your index.html is in. Okay, that makes work way easier. And oh wait, I have to add another thing. Here there should be a keyword called controls. Yeah, and here I give another thing, type video. So I'm specifying the type here, video/mp4, and my job is done. I'm gonna save it. Gonna open my part. Okay, I think I need to get a bit more wider, make it 1000 pixels. I make it 1000. Yeah, we have to save it. Yeah. Oh, that's too large. It'll be 500. Save it. Here we go. Let's play. So that's how you add videos. Here you can videos are increased full screen, and then here download, you can download the video picture in picture. Here features are there. Okay, so we're done with the video tag. Okay, next is our image tag. For the image tag I need an image, so I'm going to search Google for sample images. Okay, I will take this looks good. Let it finish. Yeah, so I'm gonna click save image as, and I'll first take it to my file HTML examples. Yeah, and then I will give sample image.ht. No, wait. Sample image. That's it. Sample.jpg. Sample image.jpg. Image. No. That's so confusing. Yeah. Sample.jpg is more than enough, I guess. So we'll go ahead with the img tag. So img src. Okay, src is source. Source will be sample.jpg. My alternate text is going to be sample picture. And then my width is going to be 500 px, and then my height is going to be 500 pixels. Let's save it. Let's go back to our part. So we get the image here, and that's how we add images and hyperlinks and videos to a HTML file. So thanks for watching, guys.